All right, moving up the Old Baldy Trail. It's a beautiful day out here. It's definitely going to be a good day, long day. This is a pretty long uphill, so a little more work to cut out for me today. All right, reached an easier section here. Nice. It's been a long way uphill so far. Pretty good though. It's a nice day out here. This is the backbone section of the Old Baldy Trail. Summit's up over behind that peak over there. You can see way off in the distance the backbone trail over there. And the backbone, Devil's Backbone's down there. Mount Baldy ski area is over there. Got about a little over a mile left. Should get there pretty soon. A little bit of snow left up here. Already here it's late May, so the snow will be pretty much all gone pretty soon. It's just this one little patch that I've seen. Okay, only a little more distance to the summit. The summit is up here. Should be there in just a little bit. Up here, that's West Baldy. Mount Baldy is this way. That's the summit. Okay, Baldy Village, this one. 6.5 miles down. Ooh, that way.